Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to make LOL client full screen. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. The League of Legends client usually opens in full screen mode by default. However, if you're experiencing issues with the client not launching in full screen, or if you want to check or change the settings, you can follow these steps. Firstly, launch the League of Legends client on your PC. In the top right corner of the client, right-click on the gear icon to access the settings. Then navigate to the General tab within the settings. Look for the option that controls the display mode. Choose the 1920 x 1080, then hit done. It is also good practice to restart the League of Legends client to apply the changes. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.